Our KPS Global installation team provides a one-stop shop, total install solution for all the products we manufacture. The KPS Global advantage starts with our people. We have a diverse team of estimators, superintendents, and project managers combining 25-year vets with new college grads from top-ranked construction science programs, trained in PM best practices. We dedicate a single point of contact for you and your project. Together with an experienced team and thousands of installs, we have the know-how to safely deal with those tough job site conditions. Then there's our partner network. We have installation carpenters, MEP trades, and general contractors partnering with KPS Global to provide coast-to-coast coverage for your projects. Our partnerships are based on long-standing relationships, excellent safety records, and having a deep knowledge of our products and services. Our scope of product and services is unrivaled. Service calls, field surveys, remodels, overnight installs to multi-million-dollar industrial applications. We can help you get it done. With KPS Global Installation, we are in and out of your job site with factory-trained installers who specialize in building KPS Global products safely to spec as efficiently as possible, saving you time and money.